In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animated number counter to your Wix website. If you want a clean, professional way to showcase stats like customers served, projects completed, or funds raised, an animated counter is a simple addition that makes a big impact. We'll use a third-party widget and then place it on your site using an iframe, so you can get a polished result without any heavy coding. First, grab an embed code from a widget creator such as ElfSite. Head over to the widget platform and create your counter there. You'll typically choose a counter style, set the target number, adjust the animation speed, and add labels or icons if you want. Take a moment to preview the animation. This ensures the style and motion feel right for your brand. When everything looks good, find the option to get the embed or installation code. It will usually be a short HTML snippet or a script tag. Copy that code to your clipboard so it's ready to paste. With the code copied, go back to your Wix Studio editor. Open the project where you want the counter to appear. In the editor, click the plus icon at the top left to open the Add panel. From there, go to Quick Add and select iframe. Drag and drop the iframe onto the area of your page where you want the counter to live. Place it inside the correct section or container to keep your layout organized. Next, select the iframe you just added. Look for the option that says Enter Code, then paste the embed code you copied earlier into the field. Confirm or apply the change, and the widget should load right inside the frame. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment or check that you pasted the entire code snippet. Now, resize it to fit correctly on your site. Use the corner handles to adjust the width and height so the entire counter is visible without any scroll bars. Align it with nearby elements so it feels integrated with your design. It's a good idea to use the editor's preview to see how it looks on different screen sizes and make small adjustments for readability. A little extra spacing can help the animation stand out. And that's all. You've added an animated number counter to your Wix website using an iframe embed. It's a quick, reliable method that keeps your design flexible and your stats looking sharp. Thanks for watching, and enjoy elevating your site with a dynamic touch.